Welcome to the as of yet untitled Transformers Collection Manager website. This project is aimed to give Transformers collectors an easy way to manage their collection. It's also meant as a powerful search engine that will allow the user to find Transformers figures in a number of ways, including by retailer, box set, and toy line. This video will show a quick preview of the currently in development website and its basic features. The main page is comprised of 4 main sections. The search bar, the database stats, the figures with the most releases list, and the currently featured toy lines. The search is simple, yet powerful. You can enter a figure name, and it will return all figures with that text in their name, whether at the beginning, middle, or end of the name.
Let's try a simple search for the Terracon Blot. The search results page will offer a list of matches with a quick description below them that can be expanded. Let's try a search for a figure with more results, for example, Optimus Prime. The results will show all figures with that name in the database. Each result includes the name of the figure, faction, toy line, original release year, subgroup if available, and a small description that can be expanded. You can filter the results by release year, toy line, or subgroup. If the figure has a release in the particular year entered, it will show up in the results even if the original release was not in that year. More on this a bit later. You can then click on a figure to open its full details. The main details page for a figure offers a lot of information. Name, toy line, class if available, release year, height in robot mode, and length in vehicle or alternate mode, faction, and an additional information section which can include things like function, real-life alternate mode details, etc. The page also includes its alternate mode type, its 2 main colors, and a full list of accessories with name, type, amount, a brief description of the accessory and the accessory's 2 main colors. The main page can also include other tabs with more information about the figure. In this case, a list of other releases of this particular figure and specific box sets it was released in. If available, other sections can include, in the case of combiners, the other figures they are comprised of, and any reuses of the specific mold for other figures.
Let's take a look at the Releases tab now for G1 Optimus Prime. The Releases tab lists every release of a figure from the original one to the most current one that has been added to the database. Each release includes the type of release, individual or box set, the manner of release, whether general or exclusive, the retailer it was released in, the country it was released in, a brief description, the year of release, the specific toy line it was released in, and the option to add it to your collection. As an example, let's add the 1984 European release by Milton Bradley of Optimus Prime to our collection. We click on the plus button to add it, and confirm we wish to add it from the dialog box that appears. Once correctly added, the plus icon is replaced with a check mark. At this point we can go to our collection and find the release there.
The collection page offers a powerful way of managing one's collection. It provides a stat bar which includes the number of figures added, the number of toy lines those figures come from, and the number of shelves the user has created to organize their collection. It also offers a searchable, filterable, and sortable list of all the figures in the collection. From here you can remove a figure from your collection or add it to a specific shelf you've already created. To remove a release from your collection, you can click on the trash can icon and then confirm the removal. This action cannot be undone, and you would need to add the release again as shown previously if you want to have it back in your collection. The collection view can be easily searched and ordered. You can click on the sortable column headers to change the column it is sorted by in the order in which they are displayed. You can also modify the amount of rows that are displayed per page.